This is the weather forecast video for Friday, May the 6th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the storm system that brought the clouds and chances of rain showers is now off to our east. A new storm is off to our west, which will bring another chance of rain late tonight into Saturday morning. Watch morning map looks quiet once again for the second day in a row. No issues. QPF chart, rainfall for the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. Upwards of maybe 1/10 of an inch, if any, in southwest Iowa, upwards to 3/4 to 1 inch over the northern and eastern counties. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a west-to-west northwesterly flow over most of the country with a trough over the eastern part of the country into the Great Lakes. Down at the surface, there's the storm system off to our east, the new one off to the west, with very little, if any, moisture to it. Rain will likely break out late Friday night into Saturday morning over the west. By Saturday at 1 p.m., you can see the storm system is over the eastern counties with some of the precipitation. Amounts will generally be light in this storm system. As we head off into Sunday, low pressure over eastern Colorado or just around Goodland, Kansas. A front will be south of the state. There'll be some moisture moving back into the state, most likely Sunday afternoon into the evening. Monday, low pressure still in about the same spot with a warm front extending across the Iowa-Missouri border with some overrunning. We could see some light rain, maybe a thunderstorm at the time. Tuesday, the low gets closer, now over eastern Nebraska. The warm front will be likely draped around the Interstate 80 corridor. Showers and thunderstorms. Could be warm south of the front, wherever it decides to be. Here we go to Wednesday. The low is now with a cold front coming through, so we could see some rain and thunderstorms again on Wednesday. As we head off into Thursday, you can see the storm system is departing the state. This will likely see some rain into Thursday afternoon over the eastern counties as we get into the backside of the storm. Then we head off to a week from today. You can see the storm is still bringing some backwash moisture to the state with some breezy northerly to northeasterly winds across the state. We head off into Voodoo Country. This is Sunday, the 15th. You can see there's that big, huge trough over the eastern part of the country. Another one west of the west coast of California. Down at the surface, you can see there's that storm system off to the north, to the east, and one to the west. We head off a few more days. Here's Wednesday the 18th. There's that trough just beginning to lift out. A new one over the Plain States, about to move into the middle part of the country at the surface here. You see a low pressure over Nebraska with a warm front that could bring some showers, possibly some thunderstorms, possibly some severe weather also. Some very warm temperatures possible by that point. And at the end of the forecast period on Saturday the 21st, here's a new trough over the northern plains and into the Rockies with a southwesterly flow over the state, and another big storm over the Gulf of Alaska. At the surface, low pressure centered around the Oklahoma-Texas panhandle with a front nearby that could bring some rain, showers, thunderstorms. So it looks like a very active period toward the middle to end of May. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.